In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink MailChimp from JotForm. Whether you're reorganizing your integrations or simply no longer need the connection between these two services, I'm here to help you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your forms and settings. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the specific form that is currently linked to MailChimp. In your list of forms, find the one you want to modify and select it by clicking on it. After selecting the form, you'll want to click on the Edit Form button. This will open the form builder interface where you can make any necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the form editing mode, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Settings tab. This tab is where you can manage a variety of options related to your form, including integrations. Once in the settings area, look for the integrations option. Clicking on this will bring up a list of possible integrations that you can manage for your form. In the integration search bar, type in MailChimp. This is a quick way to locate the specific integration you're interested in. Once MailChimp appears in the search results, click on it to open the integration settings. Here, you'll see details about the current integration with MailChimp, including the actions that are set up to sync your form data with your MailChimp account. To proceed with unlinking, look for the action section. In this area, there should be 3 dots which represent more options. Click on these dots to reveal additional actions you can take. One of these options will be delete action. By clicking on delete action, you will effectively remove the integration between MailChimp and your JotForm. This will stop any automatic data transfers that were previously set up between the two services. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked MailChimp from JotForm. If you need to reestablish this connection later, you can always follow similar steps to set up the integration again. Unlinking integrations can often feel daunting, but with the right guidance, it becomes a straightforward task. Remember, managing your digital tools efficiently can save you time and ensure that your workflows remain streamlined. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and made the process easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your online tools. Have a great day.